Hey, what's up? So if you're watching this video, that means you purchased our Midnight Rose or our Yum Yum. You're trying to figure out how the hell do I use this stuff. I got you. I'm gonna take care of you real quick, and then at the end of this video, I'm gonna link a bunch of other videos of me using it and showing how to utilize and stuff like that. If you need some more in-depth tutorials on how to look as beautiful as I am. So first things first, let's look at Midnight Rose, right? Midnight Rose comes in two flavors, the original and in Shea. Both are fantastic. I prefer Shea personally, just because it adds that oil and butter. So it's liquid, oil, and butter in one. It's just all there. Midnight Rose original is liquid and oil, and it also does a good job of hydrating. So they're both 3-in-1 systems. One's just a little bit more 3+in-1. That makes sense, right? When you look at it, it has roses inside of it, has the oil, has the water, has the aloe vera. You just need to shake the hell out of it. Right? Just shake it. Give it a little shake. Just a really good shake like that. Just shake, 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 shake until it looks like that. Right? Then you pour it in a spray bottle, or you just put it directly on your head. You know how you use it. I like to put it in a spray bottle, and then I shake, shake, shake again, and then spritz, 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 and then style, style, style. All right? This stuff, great, fantastic. If you want, you can throw it in the refrigerator. You don't have to. All right? If you do have the one with Shea, though, if you throw it in the fridge, it will start to solidify in a bit, so you got to make sure you let it come down to room temperature. We usually leave ours in the shower or in the bathroom, just so it always stays at a nice liquidy temperature, or liquidy, nice temperature to stay liquidy. There we go. All right. Yeah. Now, Yum Yum. Yum Yum's another one. This one, fantastic. All right. But a lot of people like to ask, well, what is with this, like these globs that I see? That's literally Jamaican black castor oil and a little bit of vegetable glycerin sitting right there. Remember, oil and water do not mix. The best you can do is shake it up, and allow them to come through the spray tubes at the same time. So with this one, you just shake, shake, shake. Same deal. Nothing different. So just shake, hit like a shake weight. Just like a shake weight. You know what I'm saying? Boom. It looks like this. Pour it in a spray bottle. Spritz, 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 spray, spray, spray. Now, my preferred way to use Yum Yum Original and Yum Yum Black is to spray it on, put on a butter over top, and that's it. So I hop in the shower, get out of the shower, spritz, spritz, spritz. Then I throw a butter on, and then I throw on my beard guard or my do-rag, and I hit the hay. That's it. That's my way. All right? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about how to use these more in depth, check out our other videos, or just leave a comment below, and I'll take care of you. Any more questions you feel like you need to have a personal one-on-one conversation with somebody, my sister Monique loves talking to people. So her email is going to be in the description for you. Just shoot her an email, let her know, hey, I got a question about this, and she'll take care of you. All right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, we're here to help. And make sure you aren't ashy or whatnot. So yeah, see ya.